So today, guys, we're going to talk about an LED mask. And I think this one is such a good one, you guys, and it's really super affordable. So I'm going to give you the benefit, show you how I wear it, and what is so special and unique about this one is it has 7 different LED lights. So it's not just the red light therapy, which is so great. It does have other lights, which will give you other benefits as well. And then you can also use a mode that gives you every single light kind of in an interval, so you can get all the benefits if that's what you're looking for, or there are specific benefits that you can get as well. So I have tested this out for 30 days, and I did want to share with you what my results were. So later you'll see the before and after pictures of before I started using this and then after. So let's go ahead and get started with this LED face mask. So this face mask was given to me, and I do want to let you guys know this is my honest opinion on the results. You can see the before and after and make your own opinion about this. But I have been really testing out and loving red light therapy. I have several devices that I use for like back pain, also for hair loss, and just for the face mask to get those kind of results that you're looking for. So I was really excited when they introduced me to this 7 light LED mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on you guys, and when it comes, it does have this, which will help to stabilize it and keep it on your head very nicely. And it has this rubber here, so it's going to be extra gentle and comfortable to wear. And you're just going to put the straps and place them in here and Velcro them and place it over your head. So it's got the little eye part right here, so it's going to keep it away from your face, so you're not going to have to worry about it laying on there, because this is made out of a little bit of a harder plastic, so it's not going to be uncomfortable at all. I have used this for 30 days, and I've used it 5 times a week, and I usually use it for 10 minutes each time that I use it, so it doesn't take up a lot of time. And I'll usually just lay down in bed and just close my eyes and just let it work. And I actually put it on the cycle that goes through every single one of the lights, just because I want to get the maximum benefits from it. Now, it does come with a charging cable that you will attach here. And then it just has a USB at the end, so you can just put it in any kind of USB charger. You'll see a red light when you turn it on if it needs to be charged. Otherwise, it'll be a green light, and that'll let you know that it's fully charged. But I would always suggest when you first get it to just make sure that it's fully charged and you do get that green light. Right here is the button. It's the only button on here that you're going to have to worry about it, so it's very simple to use. You just push this button and hold it in, and then you'll hear a click, and that means that it's ready for you to put it on whichever cycle that you want. So I'm going to put this on and show you what it looks like, and then I will tell you what all of the lights mean. Okay, so now that I have it on, there are 8 color cycles. So it's going to start off with the red light, which is going to promote collagen, and it's going to reduce wrinkles. That's the most popular one of the light cycles. Then you have the green light, which reduces blackheads and acne. And then the blue light soothes the skin. The purple light is going to treat acne scars. The orange light is going to brighten skin color. The cyan light is going to boost your metabolism. The white light is going to firm your skin. And then the next cycle is going to be that 7 light cycle, where it's going to go through all of the ones. So if you're going to want all of the benefits of all the different color of LED lights, then you're going to want to put it on that 8th cycle. So all you do is you have to push that on button, and then you're going to cycle through whichever one you want. So if you're just interested in soothing your skin, then you can just use the blue light, which is that 3rd mode. And there's a little user manual that comes with it that can tell you all of those, but of course you can see the colors of it and just know which mode that you're going to want. So that's why I really do like this mask, because it's not one of those that's going to be really tight on your skin, and it's going to stay away because it does have the little parts of the eye, as you can see right here, that's going to keep it away from your skin. But I do feel like it's just really nice to just relax for 10 minutes a day, and you can use it every day if you want to. So I would use it for like 3 days, give it a rest, and then use it for another 2 days, and I would just use it 5 days a week, and I think that was sufficient. And as you can see, here are my results for 30 days worth of use. So I do have a lot of uneven skin tone, some fine lines and wrinkles, and I felt like it just really made my skin a little bit brighter. You're going to want to continue using this. You're going to see a lot better results after a year of use, even more results after 6 months. But I think that LED lights are really great, especially for the face area, and I just think it's a great technology, and I do love the way that my face looked after I would use these LED masks. Now, I never used it with makeup on because I wanted to keep it as clean as possible. That's why I'm not putting it on now for you guys, because I do have a little bit of makeup on. And then I would also use this before I would put my moisturizer on. So I would clean my face, just use my face cleaner, put this on, and then I would use my toner, any serums and moisturizer that I was going to put on after that, just so I didn't have any oils or anything that got on here, and I could keep it as clean as possible. So I think this is absolutely a great product. This actually retails for $68.99, so it's a really great price, and I'm going to have the link for this in the description box so you can see a little bit more information about it if you want to, or you can purchase it straight from that link. But I think this is really great. I highly recommend this. I think it's comfortable to wear, and I think it does give you some good benefits. And what you're seeing is after 30 days of use, but the more that you use it, the more you're gonna see those benefits. It's not something that's gonna happen overnight, so don't expect that you're gonna use this 1 or 2 times and see all your fine lines gone. It's not gonna work on deep wrinkles either. It's gonna try to prevent any future wrinkles from happening and also combat all of those fine lines and wrinkles that you may already have. But I think it's great for all kinds of different skin issues. If you are acne prone, you can use the green light for that and target those acne spots. So yes, I highly recommend this, and I don't think that it takes up too much of your time by just using it 10 minutes a day. And again, you can use it 7 days a week if you want to do that. I just chose to use it 5 days. And I feel like if you're wanting some even faster benefits, you can use it that 7 days a week. But you know, I was just wanting to show you a before and after so you can see what it looked like before. And some of you may not think that there is a really great change from when I first started using it to now, but I do feel like there is. I can tell when I don't have any makeup on that the dark circles under my eyes are not as prominent, and I can just tell my skin looks a little bit brighter and it feels healthier as well. So I do feel like there's benefits. You might not exactly see them in a before and after picture because it's kind of hard to detect that, but I do think there's some benefits, and whatever you're looking for, I think this can target whatever your problem area is on your skin. Or if you just want to start using this to prevent any future damage to your skin, then I think this is a great option, and it's really super affordable. Sometimes you can get those face masks that are, you know, upwards of over $100, and this one is at $68.99. So I think it's a really great deal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button for me, you guys. And also I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.